This 2019 DRV Mobile Suites AIRE 413 MSA is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used DRV is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 8, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, TV, auxiliary battery, LP detector, awning, skylight, slide-out, DVD player, air conditioning, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.